Community posts give creators an easy way to engage with their audience through text, polls, and quizzes. They show on your channel community tab and deepen your connection with your audience. Who is eligible for community posts? There is no subscriber requirement to post on the YouTube app. You just have to press the create button and you can post on your community. How can you create a community post?
From your YouTube app, tap create icon, then post. You can share a text update, add image, create an image or text poll, quiz your audience or more. You can also post right away or schedule your post and set your post to expire after 24 hours. You can also choose your post audience setting. If you have channel membership, you can create a post just for your channel members. This allows you to show them exclusive content. Another way to create community posts is through the YouTube Studio. You go on the Chrome version and log in your YouTube Studio. When it brings you to your dashboard, you click on the top right corner, create, and click on create post. Also, you can see community posts when you click on this last button, which is going to redirect you back to your YouTube channel, where you're going to see where all your community posts. Don't forget that you can also use the YouTube community post from your YouTube tab. You just come to community and click on it, and you still have all the options, either poll, quiz, or you want to share an image for your community. For more information on post analytics, you go to your YouTube Studio and click on analytics, and after clicking on analytics, the next thing you're going to do is to click on advanced mode. When you click on advanced mode, you click on more, and then you scroll down to posts to see post impression, response rate, and more. So my loves, if you have gotten to this point in this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and also if you have any question, I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions.
What's the best time to use your community post? I would suggest that you use community posts as often as possible. Use it when you upload, and also you can use it to start conversations with your audience.